So let's take a look at this graph, which I sketched on the screen over here, and we're going to call it f of x is equal to y. And we'll make sure we're comfortable with this idea of what it means for different intervals in the graph to be increasing, decreasing, or constant. So in terms of f of x is equal to y, when we read a graph, we're always going to read the graph from left to right. So I'm going to look at the leftmost part of the graph, which is over here. This is coming from negative infinity, right? This is where our x values are pretty small. So we're coming from negative infinity, and from here, we're going up. Going up means that we are increasing, and we're increasing until right around here. Now, if we're going to read the x values, and again, that's how we're going to talk about the intervals in terms of being increasing, decreasing, or constant. Our x values are coming from negative infinity, and then they're ending over here, and the x value that that's mapped to is, let's see, is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So from negative infinity to -4, this function is increasing. Now let's go from -4. Let's continue reading it. So it looks like from -4, and we're going to follow this graph over here. Notice that it's going down, which means it's decreasing. So one of the intervals on which this graph is decreasing, it's from -4 to, and it's stopping right here, and that has an x value of -2. So we increase from negative infinity to -4, and then we decrease from -4 to -2. Now notice if we start here at -2 and if we move to the right, we're not going up or down, which means that this interval is constant. So here we have a constant interval, and we're starting at -2 on the x-axis. Notice that that maps us to -2. And let's see where we're ending. Well, the x value at which we end over here looks like it's at 3. So our graph is constant from -2 to 3. Let's start over here at 3, and if we notice our graph is going up, 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 and it's going up, and it's going up, and that arrow means it's going to continue to do that, which means the graph is increasing. So we have a second increasing interval, and I'm going to represent that by using a U because it's the union symbol. We have multiple increasing intervals, and we're starting at we're starting at +3, and we're increasing, as we said before, all the way up to +infinity.